up, everybody? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic here with a little short video right quick. As you can see, I'm in my garage. I'm working on my Aviator 2005 model. As you can see, I pretty much got a lot of the work almost done. So pretty much what I'm doing, I'm replacing the wheel hub right here. This is the brand new one, and you see it come with the cable already connected to it. I think that's for the speed sensor, whatever, or something. So yeah, that's what this big boy look like. So it was time to replace the other one because it started making that noise. So as you can see, I done got this for here. So I got 2 more bolts to take this off right here. But it's not that easy though. Before you can unbolt this, I had to take a screwdriver or something and pretty much pry up in there to release the seal on it, to pop it off. And here's the cable that goes to the speed sensor cable or ABS cable, whichever one it is. So it pretty much goes all the way up on these connectors right here. And there's another one right behind now you can't see, and the cable goes up there to a connector. I don't know if y'all can see it or not up here, probably can't, but it's a connector that's right there on the side by the battery. Matter of fact, let me show y'all. There we go. This connector right here, that's the one that you go unloosen right there, and the new one goes snap right on into that. So pretty much looking at this whole job, what I'm doing right here, I'm gonna just tell you like this. I had this job quoted at a local shop. I'm not gonna say the name. They quoted me $150 for the labor and $450 for the part. Yes, you heard me right. $150 for the labor, $450 for the parts. So, knowing me, you know what I did. I went straight online, found the local auto parts store that had the same part right there, selling it for $220. I went online and found the same exact one as you looking at it right here. Found the same exact one for $110. Yes. I mean, yeah, taking it off take a little bit of work. Ain't no problem. I mean, if you done changed brakes before, then this shouldn't be too hard for you at all, you know. And that's the caliper part holder right there. Yep. So yeah. So you add that up. 450 plus 150. What is that? That would have been my cost to get this fixed. So we talking about roughly what? About right at $600 to get this done. 600, y'all. 600. How much did I spend? Let me see. 110 for that. Let me see. I bought a 1/2-inch drive set, $35. So you're looking at what, 110 and 35, what, 145 right there for the part and tools. Yeah, you see the big difference. But hey, I understand though. Hey, everybody is not mechanically inclined, so hey, I understand that. But hey, I'm just showing you what I can do and how much money I'm saving doing my own. Yes. Yep. So that's pretty much it, y'all. And far as boat wise go, if any of y'all have this same type vehicle, I can tell you right now, you're going to be using you're going to need a 15 millimeter to get those big boats off. To get those off right there, you need a 21 millimeter. And for the little small one, it was this right here. This little boat. This here was what was this? A 10 millimeter. So those are the ones that I'm using. That's it. So, hey, I'm gonna check back with y'all once I finish getting this old off and getting a new one on and getting it all plugged in. Okay, I'm back, everybody. As you can see, I got the new one on. Yes. Got the new one mounted up. Let me check these screws just to make sure that they're working. Oh yeah, look at that. Work good. Yes. Work good. So yeah, that's what the new one looked like. See the brand new line. So pretty much, I'm gonna just follow the same way like the factory line was. Connect back onto these clamps and go back up to the connector. And I'm gonna put this back on. Put the caliper holder back. And of course this rotor. Oh my gosh. Y'all excuse my language, but this is one big ass rotor. Goodness gracious. Woo! Yep. So old rust bucket going back on now. Yep. So that's pretty much, y'all, what I got to do there. So I don't have my stand with me, so it's gonna be kind of hard to put all this together with one hand. So I'm gonna pretty much wait till I get these little few pieces on, then I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, everybody, I'm back. So, hey, you see I got the rotor on there. I got the brake pads on there. I got the caliper holder back mounted. So now I gotta get the caliper back on there. I gotta push those in a little bit so I can get it back over these here, over the brake pads, bolt them down, then run that new line. Shoot, and I'll be finished, y'all. Yep, we are coming along pretty good. Boy, that look good. All right, I'll be right back once I finish tighten these up and connect it and get the wheel on. Okay, everybody. Got it pretty much all assembled back together now. So I got the rotor on, got the new wheel hub on, the brake calipers, brake pads are all mounted back up. So now I gotta run this wire on up to the connector. So I think we'll be looking pretty good after that. And of course, you know, I'm gonna have to test it out, you know, just to make sure, but let's go ahead and put these back on right quick. Put that on there. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Let me sit this down right fast. There y'all go. Make sure y'all can see. right. Gotta connect this. Get it out the way. Alright, let's get it. This is going on here. Alright. That one's on. Okay, that's on. Gotta put this one right on here. Got that snap in. Okay, I'm gonna run this through here. Alright. Gotta run that through. Through there. Alright, when it connected it, it's right there. Okay, make sure we got it. Boom. There we go. Alright, y'all. I got it back on the same line. As you can see, that's the new line. So now I gotta get up here and find my cable. Where is it? Alright, here we go. Got it. So we're just gonna connect it back to the factory one. I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Well, y'all can see it or not. There we go. Snapped in. All right. Looks like we're good to go with it. Yep. All right, y'all. Look, everything looks pretty good. New hub on there. New line ran. All right, let's go and straighten this wheel up. Okay, I'm gonna get right back with y'all once I put this wheel on. Hey everybody, I'm back. The wheel is on. Everything is finished. Hey, I am done, y'all. I am so happy. So that's pretty much it. Hold on, what the heck I did with the old one? But yes, here's the old one right here. And this right here was the original hub that came on the truck too, so. Yeah. As you can see, yeah, it took a good beating. But yep, that is it. The job is done. I just had to show y'all my little work so that way y'all can see I do a little bit more than just installing car audio and lights. So yeah, I don't have the name DJ Ron the Mechanic for a reason now. Come on. That's my name, DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, that's what I do. Y'all see the result. So look, I am happy. The job is done. Saved myself about right at what? Parts and labor, about $600. So you do the math. The part only cost me $110, which I ordered offline. Throwing tax, let's say roughly about let's say $113, probably $113 with tax. And with the tools that I had bought, so altogether I spent with the tools and the part, I spent like $145. So y'all do the math on that. 600, 145. Boy, that's a big gap in between. Yes, you see. So, hey, I'm about to clean up my area. As you see, I got a mess all over the place. That's how it is when you're working on something. But hey, I am done. So I'm gonna holler back at y'all. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yes, I will be back on my car finishing up the audio for that. Matter of fact, I'm waiting for a few pieces to come in before I can even really get going on it. So it's still gonna be a couple more days for it can even be finished. So but that's all right. I'm DJ Ron the Mechanic. I'm out.